Alrighty, this is Brooke Wilhoit, Coaches Development Homework Lesson 7, CrossFit Dinner on logistics. So here we go. Here is our gym today. We've got our entrance right over here. Those are a couple stairs over there coming down into the gym. Some wall space there. This is a hot water heater. And then our whiteboard is right there. My scale is not great there. Whiteboard's a little bit bigger than that. It's pretty massive, actually. Those are barbells there, little barbell rack. Here is a pull-up bar, squat rack, wall-mounted bumper plates, pull-up bar, squat rack, wall space here, garage door, wall space here. The shed is outside, so we go out the garage door into the shed. That's got like bikes, rowers, everything else we could possibly need. Pull-up bar, what just happened? Oh, okay. Another pull-up bar here with squat rack, shorty pull-up bar, another pull-up bar, squat rack, dumbbell rack, and then these are two like bumper plate on wheels things. Sweet. Workout for today is 10 rounds, as many reps in 1 minute of 2 wall walks, 4 deadlifts, and then max wall ball shots with the remainder of the minute, resting 1 minute between rounds. So how this would go in our gym, I set this up for if we had like 14 people, which would be a pretty big class size for us. I feel like we typically average like 8 to 12 in a class. I think one of our biggest was like 16. So kind of depends on the day, but here if we got 14, pretty big class size day, this is how we'd be going. So I would let them know at the beginning that we will be, or whiteboard brief, that we will be wall walking where we will be wall balling. So going for the wall walks, wall ball will just be off to the side somewhere, and then when we get back around to our wall balls, you'll just grab your wall ball and go for it in your same spot. For the deadlifts, I zippered our barbells here in the middle. I don't love zippering barbells for deadlifts. It's kind of awkward. You get butts and faces and all the things. So if the class size was smaller, say we had like 8, maybe 10, I would put barbells like facing in. Yeah, just so you don't have that kind of awkwardness with your neighbor. But otherwise, they'd be zippered down the middle if we had a big class today. Yeah, how this would go, we'd have 2 groups. So group 1, starting on your wall walks, finishing your minute. As soon as they finish the minute, other group hops on during their minute of rest. And you just keep going about it like that. I will say, if class did get any bigger than 14 here, potentially even if it got bigger than 12, I would swap out these barbells for some dumbbells just for safety, not dropping any barbells near fingers or heads for our wall walks. So yeah, switching out those for dumbbells if it feels crowded there, and then we would just probably up some reps there, or you just get to bang out a bunch of wall balls and it'll be awesome. So yeah, there it is.